If you want to change your YouTube channel or YouTube video from private to public by using your iPhone, I will show you. Actually, this may happen like if you changed your YouTube channel to private, hide your YouTube channel. First you need to convert private to public. To do that, open YouTube app. Now just click this profile and just sign in to that YouTube account, that YouTube channel. If you again sign in to your YouTube channel, it will automatically convert it from private to public. So this is the first step. You just need to sign in back to that YouTube account. Then minimize this and you need to install this YT Studio app on your iPhone. If it doesn't have this, go to App Store and install this app. It's official YouTube app. Just open the app and just click this profile, switch account and change the account if you want. For now I show you using this account. Now just click content. Now you click type, select videos, apply. Now it will show all your videos. Now just click this visibility, select private, apply. Now it will show all your long form videos with listed as private. Here you can see, if you see this lock, this video will be private. Every videos here you can see. So you just need to click these three dots, edit, change this to public, back and click save. Then it will be converted into public video. So here you need to manually do one by one like this and change this to shorts. Click this and click type and shorts, apply. Now it will show all your privately listed shorts videos. You just need to do the same process. So it's like one by one process, but if you want to do this process at just one click, minimize this, open any browser. I just open Safari, Chrome, Google, and just type studio.youtube.com. I just select this. Now just long press this and click open in new tab. Here you need to just click continue to studio. Okay, now zoom like this and click this, switch account. For now I just select this account because I want to log in that another account. So if you want to log in any YouTube channel, click add account and just add your Gmail account and password. Then your YouTube channel will be added on this page. For now I just click this. Yeah, so after you see this page, use your two fingers like this and zoom and click this video like icon which is called contents. Okay, now click this reverse pyramid like icon. So now just click visibility and select private and apply. Now you can see all your privately listed videos, shorts or live videos, everything. So if you want to manually select the videos, you can choose like this, or if you want to select at one click, just click this top checkbox near the video. Now it will select all your videos. After this, click edit, visibility, click this private and change this to public. Now scroll here. Now just click update videos. Here tick this checkbox and if you tab update video, that's it. Every private video will be converted into as public video. So this is how you need to do. And if you want to know more videos about YouTube, watch this video.